Welcome to RHCP Community Update. My name is Yahya Ahmed and my partner Mohammed Abdulqadir Haji Yusuf has the night off. Tonight we would like to update you, as you already know, that Rochester Public Schools has revealed the initial plans for the first 2 months of school. Pre-K all the way to 5th graders and Lincoln and Man will be using a hybrid model. 6th graders to 12th graders will be using a distance learning. What does it all mean? Hybrid models for the elementary kids and Lincoln and Man basically means that the students will be split into two groups, a group A and a group B. Group A will be going to school Mondays and Tuesdays, and while group B will go to school Thursdays and Fridays. Wednesdays is basically everybody distance learning. Is a cleanup day. For middle schoolers all the way to high schoolers, they'll be using the same plans that they have already used it in the spring. It's going to be a distance learning all 5 days. Things to be aware of. Your school will be communicating with you via Skyward, whether it's email or mail. Please make sure that you are updating your information with the Edison building. Please make sure that if you need a technology support, that you are reaching out to the school and you're filling out whether it's an online survey, paperwork, or whatever the case that may be, so that your student will be ready to go when the school starts in the end of August. The other thing to pay attention to is that if you need help, make sure that you're asking for extra resource, because whether it's a distance learning, whether it's a hybrid model, students will definitely gonna need a lot of help. This is all new territories for everyone. Please make sure that you are working with the teachers and the administrators of your school, or where your school goes to. Also, there might be other resources will be available, so make sure that you're asking tough questions, saying that, hey, you know what, is there after school program? Is there other programs that the school will be offering? So Rochester Healthy Community Partnership will be here to help and support you, navigate you. If you need information, please make sure that you reach out to us by making sure you're liking and supporting our website. And then we're here so that together that we can beat COVID-19. And the other thing that to keep in mind is that if your student is going to go to school, it's important that you pay attention to the transportation. Everything is going to be different. It's not like it was before. Last time we already updated you that most of buses are only going to take 13 students, so the busing schedule is going to be changing. Some students might be released early. Some students might come home late. So that's something that to pay attention to. So thank you for watching us, and if you need help to navigate the first 2 months of school, please do let us know that. And then after the first 2 months of school, the district will take a look at it sometime in mid-October, and they're going to decide where to go from there on. It does not mean that this is something that we're going to do the rest of the year. It does not mean that this is things are constantly changing. As you already know, COVID-19 numbers are still climbing up, so please make sure that you wear a mask. The students who are going to go to school, make sure that they have a mask. If they don't have a mask, Rochester or the state of Minnesota has need a mask, just ask. And you can get some from RHCP, you can get some from IMA, you can get some from the fire stations, the police department. There are resources that are available. So we have to work together in order to beat this disease. We have to stay together. We have to stay committed. So please make sure that you are preparing your student as best as possible as you know how. And if you need help, please make sure that you reach out to us, and then we'll see what we can do as far as information, where to go get resource, so all that stuff. Then we'll do the best that we can to help you out. Thank you for watching RHCP, and we'll give you another information as things change. So stay tuned. Please call your school. Make sure that you're filling out all your information that is up to date, whether it's your immunization record, whether it's your free reduced lunch application, whether it's if you need a technology support. All those things are just as crucial before school starts. You do not want to start school that not having a technology. If it's your child, it's going to be distant learning 5 days a week. And then the other thing is, please make sure that you communicate with teacher on a weekly basis, so your child does not fall behind. It is important. There's already a disparity in education. We do not want to make that gap any bigger than it needs to be. We need to make that gap shrink. So we need to help. We need to be the biggest advocate that our children have in the corner. And we're here to support you. And please, let's make a commitment that you're there to support your child as well. Thank you.